Our book this week is Bear Snores On. This book was written by Karma Wilson and illustrated by Jane Chapman. So, Karma Wilson is the author, and Jane Chapman is the illustrator. Jane Chapman drew the pictures. Okay, here we go. In a cave in the woods in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. You can see him asleep in his cave in the woods. It's a very good example of where the setting is. In a cave in the woods, right? And you can tell when it's taking place, it's in the winter. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff, cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too cold, too dank, too damp. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. So the mouse is complaining. It's too dark. It's too cold out there. It's wet. It's cold. He doesn't like the cave. So he made a fire. Warm it up a bit. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Think he knows Mouse is in his cave? I don't think so. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Oh, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips, wee slurps, Hare burps, big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we could share?" "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" Twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Oh my goodness, look, they're having a party and poor bear is sound asleep. He doesn't even know. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew. Then a small pepper flake makes the bear Ra-choo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. Freeze. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Ooh, they look terrified. Look how mean he looks. Ooh, he's mad. Or is he? "You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, and he moans and he wails and he groans and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeps up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. You can see Bear. All his friends are sleeping, and poor Bear is wide awake now. All right, I hope you enjoyed Bear Snores On. We'll be reading this more this week.